Today's all about the Ordinary peel. I made this video in 2019, so it's a throwback, but a super good one because I have loved this peel ever since I started using it so many years ago, and I hope it inspires you to try it out.
Shiny lights and purple sky, everything's so bright.
I'm filming. Do you want to come in and watch me do this? As beta.
Turn off your phone and off your mind.
Today we're going to be doing a new acid peel, and this is one that's not intense like the TCA peels that I've done in the past. This one should be very easy for most of you to use, and I thought it was interesting because it's red. So today we are doing the Ordinary AHA 30% BHA 2% peel solution. And you know what's really embarrassing? I ordered a huge box of Ordinary products months and months ago, and this is the first time I'm getting into them. It's just been so crazy to try to get and try and do everything that I want to do on this channel. So I've been saving this stuff, and today we're going to do it. It's crazy how red it is, right? And that's because it contains a pepperberry plant. It's from Tasmania, and it's supposed to help with irritation to calm the skin. And they say that the bottle or the material in it can vary from time to time because the plant obviously is a natural color, and so depending on when it's harvested and produced, the color can vary. We're gonna do this. It says to apply on clean skin. So I'm just gonna take some witch hazel. My skin's pretty clean as it is, but we just wanna make sure that there's no grease on it. We can get good penetration of the acid. Okay, so my skin is clean, and this is what it looks like before. So this acid is a 32% mix. So if you're concerned about pHs or you're interested in this, this has a glycolic pH of 3.6 and a pK reading of 3.6. So what that means, which is really interesting, is that the pK reading is the same as the pH level, which means that the salts are really balanced, meaning that you're going to get the ideal penetration and result from this mixture. So I guess the pK rating is super important when you're looking at acids, so keep that in mind. Also, the alpha hydroxy acids are meant to make your skin brighter, help with fine lines, wrinkles, just improve the overall quality of your skin. And then that 2% of beta hydroxy acids are what's going to get more into the pores and keep those cleaner. So if you're having breakouts, this can help. So this is going to be great for overall beautifying the skin and preventing breakouts. Okay, so in my opinion, I think that probably because it's red and because it's gonna make a mess, if you just drip it all over yourself. Like they say to put it on your face and then use your hands to rub it in. I'm gonna put it on just like how I would with other acids. I'm gonna just put it on some cotton swabs and then swab it on my face.
Oh baby, it's right now. You don't wanna waste this time.
Maybe that doesn't get enough on. All right, we'll try the way it says it, which is you put drops on your face and then you use your fingers to rub it in, which obviously doesn't waste product, but also makes me nervous when you're dealing with bright red stuff everywhere.
Left and right, you know you feel so right. 다른 시선 따윈 don't care.
It's really smooth. It's tingling a little bit, but nothing crazy. And we're gonna put it on for 10 minutes and then I'll be back and we'll check my face and see what we think. Yes, it's starting to tingle, but not horrible. Finally, time is up. Let's wipe it off. It says to use warm water. You can splash on and take off. So it didn't hurt one bit, promise you. A little bit of tingling even at the beginning, but nothing insane. I think it's a great little red acid mask to do every once in a while. It says that the most you should be doing it is 2 times a week. And if you're having any irritation from it, of course, discontinue. And then I think it's a smart thing for a lot of people who aren't accustomed to using acids or who have super sensitive skin to, of course, patch test it. A great place to patch test is right here or underneath here. For me, I've done so many things to my skin, acids, obviously, a lot of different things that my skin I knew would be fine. And so I just went ahead and did it. But of course, you need to make up your own mind and judgment when you're doing anything for your own skin. And I'm just sharing with you my experiences. I think it's a really good price point. It's only $8, I think. Hold on, let me double check that. It's crazy cheap. If you've never looked at the Ordinary, yeah, you guys, in the United States, $7.20. I mean, what? That's the reason I bought so much of it. Do you see it back here? Like crazy amounts of it the other day. Well, no, months ago, but never got into it because it was like so cheap. I couldn't believe it. And so a lot of people love it. I want to create my own like little routine with it and try it out for like a month and see what we think. Maybe I can't do a whole month because I use too many products. You know, we'll see. Try to see if I can do like a week or two of just using the Ordinary and see if I see any improvements, because the price point is amazing. It's super budget conscious. And I like the idea that they give you like the power to kind of customize what you want, because they're just doing little vials of different acids and different skin things, and you can mix it up yourself. Anyways, I hope you like this video, and I hope that you're interested in trying this because, you know, it's red, it's fun, and it doesn't hurt. And then if it can keep my pores nice and fresh this summer and keep my skin glowing, then that's just a perfect combination without having to do a massive TCA peel, which I don't do in the summertime. I think this is a great alternative for me, and I'm going to use it this summer and see. And I'll see you guys soon, and have a great day.
Oh, baby.